Hey YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another exciting video. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you and also demoing the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. It has no harsh sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. The packaging is very, very beautiful. It has a beautiful design on the top, and the actual jar is so smooth. I'm not sure what it's made out of, but very smooth quality material. It's 8 fluid ounce. For this particular size, it is $38. It retails at $38. The Don't Despair Repair blends rose hemp, sweet almond, and argan oils with vitamin B and biotin to revitalize dry, damaged hair while protecting against future damage. Shine and moisture are enhanced, so hair looks and feels visibly healthier and stronger. The texture of this is a very, very smooth cream, very, very lightweight. You do have 18 months from the time that you expose this to air to open it. It does, the instructions do, and tell you to make sure the hair is washed. So I did use the Kimberly Biologics shampoo and conditioner to wash and condition the hair. I will leave the direct video linked in the cards and also below. I then followed up with my Tangle Teaser. I have a video on that as well, which I'll leave linked in the cards above and also below. These are all Curlbox products. If you follow my Curlbox videos and follow the channel and not subscribe to Curlbox, yeah, you're losing out. But I applied a generous amount of this. It did state that after shampooing, massage Don't Despair Repair into the hair from root to tip and leave in the hair for 10 minutes. I basically applied it all over, really focusing on the tips of my hair. Just looking at the last couple hair product reviews that I've done on the channel, I have noticed that I have a lot of fairy knots on my hair. I recently came out of protective style, so I do think that along with that, I'm also due for a trim. So I did apply a generous amount of this product all over the hair, making sure I got from root to tip. Very, very easy application. It wasn't stubborn, very, very easy to apply. It wasn't messy or anything like that. Then I took a plastic cap and I put the plastic cap on. On the instructions, it states to sit for 15 minutes. I allowed it to stay on. It states to stay on for 10 minutes. I allowed it to stay on for 15 minutes. When I came out of the plastic cap, my hair was so soft. I can really feel a difference and tell that it was working before I even rinsed it out and applied the conditioner. So then what I did was I washed it out using the Kimberly Biologics conditioner, and I went ahead and detangled using the Tangle Teaser. And I was really looking at this as basically like a self-care day for this review with a deep mask, and then I followed up with the Haitian moringa oil. I applied a generous amount of that to the scalp area. This is also another product that was received in one of my curl boxes. I will leave that video linked in the card and also below in the description box if you want to check that out to see what else came with that. And also I used the scalp exfoliator massager, which was also part of the Curlbox Tangle Teaser. And I thoroughly massaged my hair, just making sure that I got the oil in all spaces and aspects of my hair and also the scalp as well. And then 24 hours later, I just allowed the hair to air dry. I use the extra buttercream. This is one of my favorites from Uncle Funky's daughter. Not only does it smell amazing, but it's a curl reforming cream. It has macadamia nut, shea butter, and also palm oil. I use a generous amount of that, just putting that all through the hair and just basically allow the hair to air dry overnight. 24 hours later, I could see a big difference in my hair. My hair was, it looked a lot healthier. It just looked a lot stronger. It looked a lot fuller. It just was absolutely beautiful. It smelled amazing, and it was so soft. And I didn't do anything to it. I just allowed my natural tresses to just do their thing, allowed it to air dry, and it looks beautiful. That's the way I really like to do my hair. No manipulation. If you've ever tried the product, leave your and let me know your comments on how you felt about it. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.